There are 4 absolute necessities that make a fantastic math program. A powerful curriculum that lays a strong foundation to tackle real-time engineering challenges. Lectures driven by pedagogical innovation, purpose definition, and engineering relevance. Emphasis on problem solving and critical thinking to pave the way for scientific thinkers. Scientifically designed assessments that measure conceptual proficiency and map mathematical concepts to engineering. Innovent delivers these absolute necessities for engineering undergraduates in 7 stages. Engineering math prerequisites to reinforce all fundamental gaps. Scientifically designed lectures that map concepts from high school or college to engineering. All concepts are mapped to real-time engineering to kindle one's learning quest. Graphical visualization to build concept proficiency and help visualize obvious and unobvious facets. Learning measurement to systematically go beyond the expectations of the university. Holistic summaries to gift wrap learnings comprehensively. Over 150 concept testing assessments and 2 comprehensive model question papers to prepare you for any academic challenge. Join us now and take the maiden stride towards achieving excellence in engineering mathematics.